Hey kids, my name is Kelsey, and today I'm going to be reading you Mrs. P. Knuckles' Bug Alphabet. A is for ant. Ants are super strong and can live up to 30 years. B is for bumblebee. Buzzing from flower to flower. They spread pollen that helps flowers grow. C is for cricket. Crickets are Mrs. P. Knuckles' favorite because their night song means it's summertime. D is for dragonfly, whose head is one big eye, all the better for finding and eating mosquitoes. E is for elephant hawk moth, which is a lovely shade of pink and lives in England. F is for firefly. Their blinking bodies light the summer night sky like stars. G is for grasshopper, who can jump over 3 feet at a time. Some people eat them. Gross. H is for housefly. Houseflies carry a lot of germs, so Mrs. P. Knuckles says keep them off your food. I is for inchworm. Not really a worm, but a caterpillar. They turn into moths when they grow up. J is for Junebug. Born underground and come out in June when the frogs love to eat them for a summer snack. K is for katydid, which looks just like a leaf. Some people call them bush crickets. L is for ladybug, the loveliest of insects. They help Mrs. P. Knuckles by eating the bugs on her roses. M is for monarch butterfly. Its children, little caterpillars, only eat milkweed. Can you believe the monarch can fly from Maine to Mexico? N is for nymph, a name for some baby insects. Some people believe in nature spirits, also called nymphs. O is for orange sulfur butterfly. They can be orange or yellow and love to feed in fields of clover. P is for praying mantis. It looks like it's praying, but it's not. They are so big they can eat a frog. Q is for queen bee, who's in charge of laying eggs for the whole hive of bees. She's the hive mom, and for that, she gets to eat royal jelly. R is for rhinoceros beetle, the strongest insect of them all. It can lift 850 times its own weight. S is for stink bug. They love to travel and release a stinky smell to avoid being eaten. Phew. T is for termite, who've lived on Earth for 250 million years. They build giant mounds that tourists sometimes visit. U is for underwing moth. With their wings closed, they look just like tree bark. With their wings opened, they're an orange delight. V is for vine borer, who love to eat squash. When these pests invade, Mrs. P. Knuckles plants melon instead. W is for wasp. They may seem mean, but they eat bugs that form plants and build their own paper homes. X is for Xerxes, who is now extinct. We can protect other insects and animals by protecting nature. Y is for yellow mealworm, a yummy treat for lizards and birds. Some humans eat them too, but not Mrs. P. Knuckle. Z is for Zoropteran. Tiny and clear, if you see one, say hi. After all, bugs are our friends.
Hey guys, my name's Anna, and today we're making a greenhouse. So here you can see all of my seeds that I have. You guys will all have different types of seeds. We're gonna limit the seed count to each person 3 seeds. You can do doubles, or you can do 3 different ones. So I'm gonna pick a tomato seed. So we got a tomato seed, little tiny ones. I'm gonna pick a corn seed. So for the tomatoes, you can pick more than one because they're really tiny, they may not grow. But the big ones, you need only one per person. And then 1 green bean seed. So I have my seeds here. So you have your seeds picked out. Then your class will be provided with a big bag of cotton balls. So you grab 1 cotton ball per seed. So then you open up your cotton ball. And I'm gonna put my seed in there. And then your teacher or helper will then spray that cotton ball so they get all wet. and then put it in your bag. So as you can see, you will get each this greenhouse with a bag stapled on the back, and it will be a plain greenhouse. I colored it, you can color it, you can put your name on it, and you can put what day you planted them. So today is the 29th, so I planted it today. Then you repeat that same process with the cotton ball for each seed that you have. So remember, you only get 3 seeds, and if you have any tomatoes or really tiny seeds, you can get just a couple, because some of them may not grow. Make sure the seed is all on the cotton ball. Let's do it one more time with my tomato seeds. Spread them down. There we go, just seal up your bag. It doesn't really matter if there's a bunch of air in it. It's not a big problem. So you have your 3 seeds in there. You can decorate your garden, your greenhouse, whatever you want. There's no stopping you. The only thing that you are able to do is you can only have 3 different cotton balls. You cannot have any more, just to save, to make sure everybody has them. And then this is your greenhouse. One thing you can do is you could tape your bag, just take it off the staple, and you could tape your bag to a window. And it's really good in the sunlight that they'll grow really easily. And if you don't really want to do that, if you have a garden or you just have some soil and a flower pot, you could put your seeds in there and you could water them every couple of days and they'll start growing into plants. Bye guys.